Yo, what's good? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy weekly outlook video now. Excuse me if I do sound a little bit weird, or you know what I'm saying, or a little bit down. I'm off a hangover right now, so I wanted to still do this video even though I'm not feeling that good. And you know, we can get right into this video. No excuses, right? All right, so right now looking at DXY. I was bearish on DXY. I still kind of am bearish, only because we took out this weekly high. Now we could push back up and dig more deep into it. Actually, this is a monthly. This is an old monthly high that DXY took out. We could come and dig into it again. We also took out this old high as well. So we're at a premium on this relative monthly, weekly, higher time frame, right? After we took that out, we had a shift in delivery right here. Okay, so we had a shift in delivery right here after we took out the high on the hourly time frame. So right here was where I was expecting DXY to come up into and have some sensitivity to, which it did. The thing is, it didn't come and take out this low right here. So what this might do is it might come back into this fair value gap, run this old high maybe again, maybe dig into this up candle in the open right here of these three consecutive up candles, right? Dig into there, and then we'll sell off possibly for DXY. So that's when I'm expecting DXY to potentially do now. Or it could just work this fair value gap again and then continue down. It doesn't have to take out this high, but I want to see it potentially take out this high. I'm gonna move this array up into this zone, right into this small fair value gap on the open right here. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for, price to come up into there, and then we sell off once again. If we don't come up into here and we play off the fair value gap, and once we break lower, then I'll adapt and see where I'm gonna want to see DXY sell off at. All right, so let's do AU. So if I'm bearish on DXY, I would expect AU to be bullish, to be honest. It depends though. Let's look at the daily. So daily, we took out all lows here. There's nothing telling me that we're bullish on AU. We might come down into this down candle, but the low is my draw for AU. Even though I'm bullish on DXY, these are still my draws on liquidity until AU shows me otherwise on the higher time frame, right? We haven't took out this low yet for AU. We have this up candle right here. If price comes into there, could potentially sell it to finally take out that low. Yeah, so 3 consecutive up candles. Look at the displacement. You got fair value gap right inside of there. So I'll be looking at this fair value gap right here. And I'm gonna watch for AU to potentially sell off lower. If it comes higher, I'm still bearish. The only thing is that it didn't take out this low. So if it comes higher and works into here, I might stay away until it takes out this low. If it breaks above this up candle, I'm gonna stay out of AU because I'm not gonna be interested in the fractal that is given. All right. So yeah, once we come into here and sell off and go lower. All right, GU. Let me actually AU too. All right, so GU. GU. I took a GU trade. Or was it GU or was it EU? No, it wasn't. It wasn't GU. Okay, so it was EU that I took the trade on. Okay, so GU, I'm bullish because I want to see DXY fall, right? So we already know that I want to see us get into these highs. We came into this fair value gap, worked it, bodies barely closed below it. I don't know if these lows are gonna hold though. That's the thing. if I want to buy the GU, I don't like these lows. So I'm gonna need more data as prices continuing up. If this is a buy model now, right? Smart money reversal, whatever, accumulation. We got reaccumulation, then reaccumulation. I'll probably look for like another reaccumulation somewhere over here, but it has to like be very, very clean. But I want to see DXY get back up to this high. I mean, not DXY. I want to see GU get back up into this high. All right. So we'll see if that it can do that. It shouldn't, in my opinion, it really shouldn't go any lower than really this fair value gap. I don't really want to see price go below this fair value gap. It can come and work in between these up candles, but there's no fair value gap at all. So yeah, I just want to see it continue up here. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. But I'll see how I want to scalp this once we start pushing up. See if I can scalp it to this high, but I might not get it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Monday. Just let Monday do whatever it's gonna do, and then maybe Tuesday go crazy. But if it does offer an entry tomorrow, then that'll be fine too. All right, so I was in a trade with EU. Want to see EU get above this high. It was acting goofy. Thanos, it couldn't get past Thanos. I closed it when it was like around here, because it couldn't get past Thanos right here. Closed it and just waited, right? Right now, I do want to see it go higher. Don't like any of the arrays inside of here. So this is Friday's low. These are Friday's lows. I don't want to see it go lower. I really wanted to see it go higher. So there's nothing like showing me any like, it's not showing me anything that I like inside of here. So just know that I want to see EU go higher, since I want to see DXY potentially go lower. I want to see EU go higher. There's nothing in here right now, so I'm gonna chill off that. All right, so let's close this out. Let's go to USD Cad. Look at this open, y'all. Okay, so USD Cad came into this up candle open. It's an up candle that opened. So we're inside of this up candle right now. Worked off of this bullish order block right here. On a daily, let's see where price is drawn to this high. We came into this rejection block right here, barely touched it. Yeah, we touched it. We barely touched it. Let me see. So right here, yeah. So we touched it. Came right into the rejection block right here to the pip. Sold off. Am I bearish? No, not really. Not really bearish. But USD, if DXY is bearish, then I can expect bearishness from here. Now, I want to see if price can hold this fair value gap right here. We might go higher. We might even go above this high right here, right? Have a purge and revert. Maybe DXY comes into that fair value gap again, that range and that order block, and then we go lower. Or we hold this fair value gap and then we continue lower. We'll see I'll see what happens with DXY for me to want to like sell this. Yeah, so I don't like this open. So Monday, I don't like how this open. So it gapped down on the open. Gap down. Maybe it runs this high again, and then we revert. We revert, run this little fractal high, revert, and then we continue lower. Alright, US wanted. See where the daily is drawn to. Let's see daily. Okay, so the daily came below. US 100 came below. Played off of this. After it took out this low, we had a revert. I was still bearish. Still bearish. We came into here. I actually took this trade too, or was it S&P? I think it was S&P. Came into this fair value gap, played off of it, came up a little bit higher, worked inside of this whole range, right, of these up candles right here. As long as it doesn't break this, my bearish bias is still there, right? That high. Okay, came above, came up during, I don't know what time that was. Oh, that's like damn near market close. But you can see New York Friday sold off, right? We're bearish right now. I'm still bearish. I still want to see it go lower. Go to the 4 hour. Hopefully we could take out this low before we start getting any pullbacks, like deep pullbacks. I would want to see it take out that low. So what I do want to see, if price does pull back, right? If I think it's drawn to this low currently to take out this low, right? I would expect, if anything, if price was to come here for this up candle to hold, yeah, I expect that up candle to hold and then draw towards that low. Hopefully we don't have to come all the way up there. We just take this low out real quick and then we can come back up into these higher arrays or whatever, right? So we'll see what happens with that. All right, S&P should kind of be like the same thing. Yeah, see, I like this. Okay, I like S&P a lot more. I like S&P a lot more. So comes into this up candle, I'm gonna be a seller. Any up candle. First, this is on the menu. This is next on the menu. And this one's definitely, if we break past this now, we'll expect this to maybe come here. So I like this up candle a lot more than this one. So we'll see what happens when price gets up into here. Here's that trade that I took to for S&P last week. So let me go ahead and clear this out actually. Okay, US 30, I'm still looking for the same thing. For US 30 to draw lower. Here's that up candle right here. Gold. Now gold, I was looking to take this trade on Friday, but since I was in EU, I didn't want to put any more risk on. I wish I would have took this instead of EU, because EU was garbage. EU was garbage. But yeah, I was looking to sell gold. We took out liquidity here, came into this order block, gave a model right there, took that, and that would have been a perfect trade. So I didn't take this, guys. I didn't take that. So what do I expect with gold right now? Right now we're inside of a fair value gap right here. You can barely see it. If I'm bearish DXY, I would want to see gold and go higher, but it's not giving me that type of vibe. I wish if this candle would have closed above here, then I would possibly expect it to go higher. But we came into this fair value gap. Look at the reaction that we had. So we could draw maybe back to down to this low again, purge that out, and then maybe possibly gold could go higher. It could go higher. But right now I'm bearish. What I do want to see, if I think that gold can potentially draw back to this low and all this liquidity with it, also have a fair value gap here. If there's a pullback, I wouldn't mind potentially. I don't like this order block that much. I actually like this fair value gap though. I like this fair value gap. I like this fair value gap right here. So once it comes into here, it could reach up into here too. This up candle, right? I'll potentially take a trade inside of there. This is just an hourly up candle too. So I'm gonna leave this fair value gap here. Price can come up and dig into that. I'll potentially sell it. Potentially go lower. Clear this out. Alright. Okay. And that's it. That's it with the weekly outlook. Excuse me for the commentary. Like I said from the beginning, not feeling so well. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week. Stay tuned in my Telegram journal. I'll be in my Telegram journal this week. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm out.